Welcome to GrannyMaster. Hope all of you are doing well in your studies. Oh, don't worry if not till now. GrannyMaster is here to help you. I am Elizabeth and I am going to guide you through the Plus 1 Biology course. Let's enjoy learning biology through the upcoming videos. You will learn each lesson in detail through various modules, and you will also learn how to answer various questions that you get in your exams. Especially for those who are trying for various competitive exams like NEET, here we provide you plenty of multiple choice questions to practice. You will also be benefited with short notes in each lesson. So let's meet in the upcoming days through interesting videos. Remember, you can be a master of the subject through GrannyMaster.